So now we're going to make a very simple glaze. What I have here is 1 cup of icing sugar. That is equal to 135 grams. Icing sugar has 3 different names: icing sugar, confectioner's sugar, or powdered sugar. 3 different names, but it's all the same sugar. To our confectioner's sugar, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is equal to 30 milliliters. Just get that in there. I'll grab a little whisk. I'm just going to whisk this in. And if it's a little bit too thick, then you can just add a little bit more lemon juice. But I want to start off like this. So that's a little bit too thick. I'm going to add in a little bit more. So I'm going to add in another teaspoon. That is equal to 5 milliliters. And you only want to add this in a little bit at a time because it really changes very, very quickly. You don't want to have this super liquidy. So just make sure you give it a nice little stir. You can see how quickly this has changed. And I usually just do this by eye, and you can do this by eye at home. No measurement really required. Just do it by feel. You see how that is? And I like it just like that. So now we're going to apply this to our little cake brownie.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.